Hello everyone. Welcome to another learning session of Foundation of Programming at Code Mode, where you will really learn by practice. Currently you are learning what is coding, and in today's class we will learn where do computer programs exist. In the previous class we learned about how does computer program work, in which you saw that almost every computer program works on the same principle and it has 3 steps, what we call it input, processing and output. Before I start, don't forget to like the video and follow our channel, especially if you are watching it on YouTube. Your likes and subscriptions motivate me to create more videos and courses like this. All you have to do is to click subscribe button. Let's begin. Computer programs are almost everywhere around us. You should definitely learn to recognize it. When you start a car or when you use a car, the car's dashboard shows the current speed, how much fuel you have left in the car, and all of that data. And it is only possible because there is a computer in the dashboard, in the car. In your home, you use your laptop. Probably you are watching this video on a tablet or on your phone. That's also a machine which is running one or more computer programs. Your washing machine, the bank ATMs, the thermostat in your home that controls the temperature, all of that has a computer program running in one form or other. When you look at your washing machine and look at the duration, you set a cycle, all of that part is controlled by a computer, a small mini computer inside the washing machine, and it is running a computer program. So computer programs are everywhere. All the games you play, like Minecraft, it has a computer program. Some of these computer programs, in fact, come to a level where they start controlling the car. The car manufacturers, many electric cars, has a lot of computer programs running, which constantly captures the data, from the sensors and from the cameras, and process all that to help you become a better driver. In fact, to some extent, they also control the car for you, right? So a lot of automatic vehicles such as Tesla has a lot more features thanks to the computer programs running inside. Okay, that's all in this lesson. I would definitely encourage you to start recognizing, pay attention to the computer programs around you. Now, if you have any question on this part of the concept, please feel free to post in the community forum on our platform. Either I or another teacher or another student like you would be happy to answer. I always encourage you to answer the questions on the platform if somebody has posted a question. Please take time to solve the quiz because that will help you test your knowledge and understanding. Happy learning, and I'll see you guys in the next class. Thank you.